Kobe's got the Lakers' last tip. Bryant for three. Go!
Oh! What's up, guys? We're here in Cabo finally on a cruise, and if you look behind, there's Arch Rock, and there's a bunch of different cruise ships on the water. We're gonna go check it out and hop in the water, go eat some food, drink some margaritas, go do all the stuff you do in Mexico.
Stop number one is gonna be so much fun, guys. Smash that like button if you like it. Look behind us. He's got the Arch Rock, all his famous places to take pictures. We're gonna jump in the ocean, drink some alcohol, and have a good time.
Yep, this is actually really cool. This rock right here is the very bottom of Baja California. That's the very part, like the skinny part of Mexico. So this is the very bottom part. So I think that's really rad that to see all this stuff. And us, the Crypt Rhinos, we are here today to show you all this cool stuff. We're gonna go in the water, show you all the cool parts of Cabo San Lucas. I hope you guys enjoy this. Here we go, day one at Cabo. Let's do this.
Guys.
Yeah.
We're in Cabo. Get to land, guys.
Yes, we made it to Cabo finally. Welcome to Mexico, Jeremy.
Welcome to Mexico, guys. This is gonna be so cool.
So awesome, right?
We just got off the boat and it's such a fun time. I'm so glad I'm here with my friend.
Yep.
And Brandon and my girlfriend.
Yep.
I can't wait to get a margarita.
How good does some shrimp sound, Jeremy?
Dude, it sounds amazing.
From Mexico.
Let's do this.
We're about to touch Mexico right now. Look at this.
Look at this.
Yes.
All right.
Now to Senior Frogs.
We are going to Senior Frogs right now, guys. Yes. Look at that. There it is.
Nice.
Got an iguana on you, man.
Yeah.
Check this guy out. Nice.
Nice.
Iguana time,
Yeah, I
dude.
got an iguana on my head. We are drinking on the boardwalk in Cabo.
That's right. You're allowed to do this, and how cool is that? There's bars everywhere. It's like Vegas, but you're in Mexico.
Yep.
Hey,
The
guys.
beautiful marina to my right.
Buster.
Yeah.
We're having so much fun here in Cabo. I couldn't ask for anything more. With these people, so much fun. Such a great time, and we're gonna go to the beach right now. We've been walking forever, but at least we've had alcohol to keep us going. Yeah.
Beer is our water.
Beer is our water.
That's right, guys. We're gonna be drinking all the time because it's Mexico, and you can't do it in a better place than Mexico. We're all in a foreign country, and it's all a really good time.
Really good time.
Brandon, you enjoying it, bro?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Really
yeah.
Good slam. We're at Nanny Deck. Gonna eat some lunch.
Nice. We're here at Cabo San Lucas, and we're about to jump in the water. We're chilling and getting some lunch here at this awesome bar and area. It's gonna be freaking cool. But anyways, guys, this is such a cool time here at Cabo San Lucas. We got beers. You're allowed to drink on the beach here. That's what's so cool here. There's so many cool things. The water's in the 70-degree temperature area, but anyways, guys, we're having such a good time. We're drinking booze. We're having authentic Mexican food because we're in Mexico. But
Lobster tacos.
Yep, it's so cool.
All right, give me. If you're having so much fun with this deal, I'm so excited. Yes.
That's right. Let's
If you like the video, subscribe, and you'll see our next videos in Mazatlan and Puerto Vallarta.
Hey. Brandon, I want to see you're just like, oh! Nice, jump in there, bro. Mexico.
I'm gonna jump in.
Hold my beer.
All right, I'll do it.
Hold my beer.
I'll do you next.
All right, there it is. Nice. Nice, dude. How is it?
It's nice.
Like a light.
Jump in.
Like a light.
Jump in.
Like a light. Okay, guys, I'm gonna jump in. Ready? This place is so cool, guys. Cabo San Lucas. You could drink beer on the beach. We were eating at the restaurant right here, where I just ordered some steak fajitas, and I'm literally waiting for my food to be cooked, and I'm here on the beach just enjoying my beer with all these tourists and people around. Amazing people here. Everyone's so incredibly nice, and I'm enjoying my time so much here. The water is so warm right now. I'm loving how warm the water is. And I'm drinking a beer at the same time. This is freaking incredible. You can't do this in America.
Ladies, make some noise, ladies! Who's your waiter? Who's your waiter? Who's your waiter? Who's your waiter? Hey, come on. Somebody let me hands for the waiter.
Guys, we had an awesome dinner / lunch here at Cabo San Lucas.
Guys, I am effed up in Cabo.
Yeah, it's so fun. Drinking's so great right on the beach here and everything.
We're taking a water taxi to the beach on the other side.
It's gonna be a fun time. We're gonna go check out the Arch Rock and everything.
Yep, we're gonna go to the very bottom of Baja California, and it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be a great time.
I love you, the Cabo. Beautiful Cabo San Lucas.
Cabo San Lucas, yes, beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Yep, we're going all the way over there where the rocks are. Hidden beach over there. Nice, guys. Going to the very bottom of Baja California, the skinny part of Mexico, the long peninsula part. That's where we're going. And guess what? We're here.
This is the Pelican Rock.
Okay.
Over there is a Lover's Beach.
Okay, Lover's Beach. They're all over there.
Wake up!
Check this out. Check out this arch rock right behind us. This is awesome. We're on a cool water taxi with awesome people. So this is a cool place to be. You guys gotta come check it out. This is awesome. Very below point of Baja California. And we'd love to be here. This is so cool.
So it's part of the peninsula.
If you guys like this video, just remember to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching this video here at Cabo San Lucas. It's pretty awesome.
Thanks, you guys.
Thanks, guys. We had a great day today.